Hello guys, good evening, and I am Dipali. I am residential in Pune. So I feel very proud that I have a land in Pune. But many people are having land in Pune, but they are not utilizing in a proper way. So I just want to make myself to know you that I have a land in Saswat where I have done the coconut farming. Where last 4 to 5 years I have done that, but it is so beautiful, it is so wonderful, and the coconuts are so like it is very matlab, you cannot imagine what I have got in that farm now. And even in Manjri, where I stay in Manjri, I belong to Manjri, Pune. There I have done mango farming and a mixed fruits farming. And this Krishnai nursery, which is very the young guy who has done his. I'll tell you, we do masters in science, in doctorate, but he has done masters in this agricultural this, and he is, I think so. He's blessed by God because he is doing a wonderful job in doing these plantations. And now these days what these people are doing is selling the lands and doing constructions, but this young guy, he has a potential and he's so this like I'll tell you like मतलब एक जुनून है उसमें कि वो जुनून में ना he has made me also शेतकरी as a farmer. And so many plants I've planted. I've got last year I got the mangoes, all type of mangoes, which I've taken from his nursery. His nursery belongs to Krishnai, where it is based in Urli Kanchan. His farm is wonderful, and I'll tell everyone, the youngsters, who has the land, they should come to this Krishnai nursery and visit the farm, and you can take the coconuts, the mangoes, and all mixed fruits from here. So I do tell everyone, I'll suggest now in this so many this wonderful people in Pune based, they all are happening for lands, fruits. So I heartily request everyone to do come in this Krishnai nursery and have fun with this guy. See this guy, how potential he is, and he is doing his agriculture farming. And really, Shetkari Jindabad.